Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this OPPO. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and click on password and security. Now you need to click on privacy password over here and tap on one of those login methods. I will go with pattern. Then enter it, repeat it, and answer this security question. If you don't like it, you can always click on it, pick one of those, or create your own by choosing custom question. Type in wherever you wish to and choosing confirm. Remember to answer it correctly below. Over here you can also set your recovery email and even link your accounts. When you're ready, click on this checkmark at the top right corner. Finally, you need to click on Lock Apps over here and click on this switcher next to App Lock feature. Then select an app that you wish to lock by clicking on the switcher next to it. I will go with Booking.com. After that, when I go back and try to access Booking, as you can see, pattern is now required. If you wish to turn off your app lock, you can always do that by going into Devices Settings, scrolling down and choosing Privacy section. Over here, click on Lock Apps, enter your login method, and tap on the switcher next to an app one more time. If you wish to disable app lock completely though, just click on the switcher next to app lock feature, and now it's disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!